By default, when you perform redistribution on the boundary router, all of the routes will be redistributed. So in this example, we have 4 different routes. We have 10.0.1.0, 101.0, 102.0, and 2.0, all /24 networks, but that doesn't matter right now. And by default, if we go into router OSPF configuration mode and type in redistribute EIGRP, the autonomous system number, let's say is 100, subnets, what happens? Every single route is redistributed. Every single route is treated the same way when it's redistributed as well. So it's going to have a default metric type of E2. It will have a default metric of 20. But we may want to control the characteristics of those routes that are being redistributed. Not as a group, but on an individual by individual basis. And that's where features such as our prefix lists and our distribute lists and our route maps all come into play for this manipulation of the routing characteristics or those route characteristics as redistribution happens. So in this simple example they're providing us, they are stating that we want to redistribute just a 10.0.1.0/24 network and just the 10.0.2.0/24 network. So a filtering mechanism is put in place with that redistribution process in order to say that we want to just permit, right here, let's just permit these 2 networks when we redistribute. These 2 networks here will not be redistributed at all. So the deny is simply preventing the redistribution of those 2 networks from happening.